Are you looking to bring more gravitas to your presentations? Do you want people to take you seriously on the stage? Are you looking for your message to really hit home with an audience? You need to embrace the power of the pause. The pause is your friend. A pause is actually really useful to you as a presenter as well as to your audience. As a presenter, it gives your brain time to think, where am I going to go next? What am I going to say? To your audience, it gives them a chance to process what you've just said, so they're far more likely to remember it. But more importantly, you can use that pause to add emphasis. To let an audience know that there is an important statement coming up, you deliver it, and then you pause. And it's a bit like sort of pointing to this phrase going, this is the important bit. Those pauses sort of bookend it. Don't be scared of the pause. Don't be scared of silence on stage. It can actually be very, very powerful. It takes practice though. And I would encourage you to put pauses into your rehearsal. Think about where they're going to go. What's the key phrase that I want to bookend with pauses? And practice them. So it becomes second nature. When you're delivering a certain phrase, that pause is in there, and then you know when to continue. And that pause can probably be way longer than it feels like it should be. Because what to you might feel like an eon, to your audience, actually is just a moment. A pause says, I've got all the time in the world. I'm confident. I don't need to rush. Now, a pause also will help you slow down. If you're somebody who tends to speak very fast, maybe you gabble when you get nervous, practicing those pauses will help to slow it down. If you notice, I'm not speaking slowly. I'm speaking at a fairly normal pace, but the pauses just help it feel slower. So the pause is powerful. Learn how to use it, practice using it, and enjoy using it. There's a real sense of strength in the pause that I think we can all do to embrace and use, and that will really help you bring gravitas to the stage. If you want more tips on bringing gravitas and authority to the stage as a presenter, do like and subscribe when you're here, and come back next time for more.